We're going to show you how to upload with our transfer by size. This is the newest and most advanced way to upload your files to us. All you're doing is clicking the upload artwork or going through here and choosing transfer by size. It'll take to this page where it's going to accept any file format that you have. That's a PNG, JPEG, SVG, EPS, or PDF. Now go ahead and click or drag and drop your files here. And let's say, for example, we're going to do this print. So just go ahead and let it load. The only thing that you need to know at this point is what size you want the print at. That's why it's called transfer by size. It auto detects the size here, which is 9.38 by 14 inches tall, which is a really large size print. So it's good to go. If you want to do multiple or one transfer, this is the cost. If you want to do 10, here's the cost. If you want to do a custom quantity, all you're doing is entering the quantity. It'll populate the price of the transfer, and you guys can easily add it to the cart. Now, the beauty about this is you can upload one or you can upload multiple files. So I'm gonna go ahead and I choose this is fine. It has the resolution here. Let's go and click on continue shopping. Let's go ahead and click on transfer by size again. We're gonna drag and drop another file here. And let's say you want to do this file. Auto detects 10.14 by 14. Now, if you want to resize this, you're fine to resize this. Let's say, for example, you wanted this to be a pocket logo. So we're going to do 3 inches. It's going to give 3 inches and automatically adjust the height to 4.21. This is automatically adjusted to scale so that we're not shrinking it or spreading it out too wide. It's going to hold the proportions so that the image looks perfect. Now, the thing is, what I did here is I actually got that large image and I sized it down. The thing that you don't want to do is, let's say you uploaded this image and it was 3 inches wide. You don't want to stretch this to 11 inches and do the opposite, because now you're taking an image and you're expanding it. Chances are you're going to lose some resolution, and if your artwork was originally poor, you're not going to have a really good result from a large transfer in that particular case. So go back to whoever's doing your artwork and export it at 300 DPI at the size that you want to print. Now, with that said, let's go back down here. I want to add 50 of these images. If you want a pre-cut, you can go ahead and choose the pre-cut. That means that everything will be cut professionally down so that it is easy for you to apply your transfer. Now, you can easily check out at this point. If you have everything saved, you can actually add in a gang sheet from our gang sheet builder if you want to. And there are various things that you can add on to this checkout so that you can do one seamless checkout. Make sure you have an account here so that you can save all your details and easily reorder in the future. I hope this helps you guys out. My name is Phil. We'll continue on to the next video.